In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix status access violation in Google Chrome. If you're seeing the status access violation error, it usually means a tab or extension tried to access memory it shouldn't. We'll fix it by clearing old data, turning off extensions and resetting Chrome's settings, then restarting the browser. Follow along with Chrome open on your computer. First, open the menu in the top right corner of Chrome by clicking the three dots, then choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. Here, click Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, choose a time range. For a thorough cleanup, all time is the safest bet. Make sure cached images and files are selected. You can include cookies if you're comfortable signing back into sites afterward. When you're ready, click Delete Data and let Chrome finish. Next, head to the Extensions area. Open Extensions and locate the switches next to each add-on. Disable all extensions so every toggle is off. Some errors are caused by outdated or conflicting extensions, so turning everything off lets us rule that out. Double check that everything is disabled before moving on. Now go back to the main settings page. Use the search box at the top and type Reset. From the results, click Restore settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show a confirmation window explaining what this does. Click Reset Settings to proceed. This action doesn't remove your bookmarks history or save passwords, but it will reset your startup page, new tab, pinned tabs, search engine, and it keeps extensions disabled so you're starting clean. With those changes applied, close all Chrome windows to fully exit the browser, then reopen Chrome. That restart reloads Chrome with fresh settings and without any conflicting data or extensions. Visit the site that triggered the error and see if the issue is resolved. If everything works, you can gradually re-enable extensions later, one at a time, testing in between to identify any culprit. If the error returns when a particular extension is on, keep it disabled or look for an updated version. And remember, clearing data can sign you out of websites, so have your logins handy. That's it. You've cleared browsing data, disabled extensions, reset Chrome's settings, and restarted the browser to fix status access violation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing without interruptions.